So naka-set up na ako guys. So naka-set naman na ako. Punta natin si JM sa kabila. Punta natin yung isa nating kasama sa The Basking Community. Doon siya sa may atrium ng Building B dito sa SM Super. Punta natin siya. Set up na siya.
After you go, I have a lot more room in my closet. And after you go, I'll stay out all night long if I feel like it. And when you're gone, I can run through the whole house screaming. No one will ever hear. Really should be glad that I'm doing said it then said, you're the only light this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be bluer than blue. Sige. For this next song, this is a song request. This is a song from Bruno Mars. So this next song is Die With A Smile. I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realize wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over, no time on earth was true. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Yan, hi guys. Wala na akong boses. Tapos na ako mag-basking. Tapos na ako mag-basking dito. Bibilang muna ako. Kung nabilang ko na guys, okay naman. Sakto sa Paranaque din. So guys, may nagbigay sa atin kanina habang nagbabasking ako. Binigyan ako nito. So ito ay fried siopaw. Kung palaki daw, kailangan ko daw lumaki. Pero thank you po sa nagbigay po kanina. Thank you po. Kung napapanood niyo po ito, thank you po. Ito yung perks ng pagbabasking. Hindi lang naman monetary yung nakukuha mo dito, but also minsan mga foods. Ayan. So, praise God. Kain tayo guys. Ako naman. Isip ko anong lesson sa akin yung araw. Inisip ko isa. Naging grateful tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Maliit man o malaki yung nakukuha mo. Sa basking, hindi naman araw-araw malaki ba yung nakukuha mo. So yun. Kailangan natin tutunan maging grateful sa lahat ng bagay. Pasalamat mo sa Diyos lahat na nakukuha mo. Okay na guys, nakakain na ako. Uwian na. Uwian ulit. So nabutan ba natin si JM, pinagbantay pa ako ng kanyang gamit. May liquid pa lang siya. Umihimo na siya. Okay. Uwian na to after. Kaya, yung gamit ni JM, tiwang-wang lang. Uwian na!